Hi guys, welcome to my daily vlog. Today I'm gonna take you along with me and show you everything that I do in a day. So it's gonna be a work day. I hope you enjoy my vlog, so stay tuned and lots of love to you guys. I always start my day by having soaked almonds. This is a habit which I picked up from my family. Like everyone has this, Aji does this for me. So I have this and then I log in, and today I was actually working and I was also watching some BTS songs in the background, which I absolutely love. Got ready for office and this is my outfit and makeup for the day. Uske baad I took an auto and I go to the metro station because I have to travel by a mix of auto, metro and bus. So after the auto ride I went to the metro station and got the metro. This is a small clip of me traveling in the metro. Then I worked for a bit. It was a long day. It was time for lunch, and for lunch I had chapati with two of these sabjis. I really miss salad today, but it's okay. उसके बाद में evening I was hungry, so I carried a protein bar with me. This is a small clip of that bar. It's from Max Protein. It's got 10 grams of protein and it's in the variant Choco Berry. It's one of my favorite protein bars. I was just showing this, and I have recently been more inclined towards making soft vlogs or vlogs where I'm explaining things in detail. In a world which is super fast paced, I want to create something which is soft, slow, and nice, and that's exactly what this is. It's hustling, it's getting through every day. So, इसके बाद I went back home, and again, it's a mix of metro ride and auto ride. On the way, I just took a small clip. The metro travel is super hectic. It is very crowded, but you enjoy the process anyways. You just make sure you have a place to stand and you watch the scenery or whatever that you can see outside and try to get your thoughts together and reflect on your day. Apparently, today while going back, the metro was pretty empty, so I got a seat as well. And then, before I reached home, I stopped at Starbucks, got a cup of coffee. I'm having the zero sugar one, the double blonde vanilla cappuccino, which is one of my favorite. Today, I had a seat at the bus as well, so I'm really grateful to God for this because sometimes I always stand and commute. Then what happened was it was really hot outside, but still I just managed to get through the bus ride. Reached home. Uske baad I have to do housework, so I started with Angan Saf, which is my first housework, and then I also make sure I dust the furniture, mop the puja room, so on and so forth. The Angan Saf process is a little bit longer because it takes me some time to broom and then mop. Uske baad get all the water out with this particular thing. And I had my dinner, which was rice, sambar and sabji. Really healthy, tasty, and of course home food is home food. It feels awesome. And then what happened, this update started happening, so I was like, what is going on? And I waited for my Mac to get updated, and once it was updated I started watching some BTS songs again. It's something which makes me feel energetic and calm at the same time. It's a heady combination and I absolutely love to feel this way. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of motivation, and that's exactly what their journey does to me. I also had some buttermilk to end the day with, and this is pretty much my vlog day.